Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to save a TikTok draft in a gallery without posting. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. The first thing you need to do is to open up the TikTok app. Once you have done this, you want to click on the big plus on the bottom of the screen and take a short video. Once you're at this screen, you're going to scroll to the bottom and click more options and make sure that is toggled on for save to device. Then you can put it in the drafts. Once you have done this, you can go back to the video. Once you're at the video, you want to click the lock in the middle of the screen and change it to only me. Then you want to click next. And then you want to post this. So once you have posted this, you'll come back to your profile page and then go to the little lock, the little second icon. You want to click on the video. Once you're here, you want to click the three little dots and click save video, and then it will download. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.